Sean, the founder of Growler. We started this company with a simple mission, to keep craft beer fresh. So we invented this. We call it the uKeg. The uKeg is an advanced fresh beer growler system. The regulator cap keeps oxygen out and uses an 8-gram food-grade CO2 cartridge, along with the selector dial to dial in the perfect carbonation level. The top assembly lets you easily pour your beer anytime you want. There's also a sight glass and a pressure gauge to see what's happening inside. The vessel's double wall, vacuum insulated stainless steel. It keeps your beer cold for hours and it's durable. And there's a sweet handle.
When you get home, the uKeg fits right in your refrigerator. You can keep your beer cold and fresh until you're ready to drink it.
Here in Portland, we love drinking craft beer. We also love riding bicycles. But as you know, glass growlers just aren't very portable. But we designed the uKeg to be durable, so you can take your beer with you wherever you go.
Hey, Bruce.
Hey.
That's a nice shirt.
Yeah, thanks so much. How you doing?
Good. What beer should I get?
I think today's an ESB day.
Ah, sounds good.
Awesome. Enjoy.
uKeg by Growlerworks. Keep your craft beer fresh to the last drop.
Getting ready to entertain? The beautiful precision-crafted products from HiCoup kitchenware are surprisingly affordable. Our corkscrews are especially popular, including a traditional wing corkscrew and bottle opener, and professional waiter's corkscrews that feature a double-hinged fulcrum so you can easily remove even the longest corks. We'll demonstrate. First, the long, rounded serrated foil cutter on our waiter's corkscrew makes foil removal simple. Fold it back and extend the corkscrew. The corkscrew's worm has a special groove along its entire length to help it drill through cork effortlessly. Then, that double-hinged fulcrum provides extra leverage when needed to guarantee a smooth two-stage cork removal. The benefits of decanting red wine are well known. Our stunning swan-like decanter is artisan crafted from mouth-blown, lead-free crystal. So it's a true work of art on your table. Our gorgeous granite mortar and pestle is perfect for grinding spices and other ingredients. It's not really a party without dip, so some tomatoes, onions, peppers, garlic, avocados, and other fresh ingredients can be ground together using our large 2-cup mortar and pestle. Creating a healthy and tasty guacamole salsa. No need for a separate serving bowl when you have this beautiful granite mortar. Our stainless steel shucking knife has an elegant paca wood handle. The thick, reinforced high-carbon blade of this knife allows you to thrust and twist with confidence, opening the oyster along the hinge area, then separating the material that connects the upper shell. A tray of fresh oysters on ice will be sure to impress your guests. There's just time before they arrive to light the candles and enjoy a glass of decanted wine. Our crystal decanter pours as beautifully as it looks. With quality products from HiCoup kitchenware, your party is sure to be a success.
Bye.